we gather around in the living area for breakfast. So you guys ordered a few different things, so I made some different stuff. So let's pass it around. Boop, 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 and finally, boop, boop. Thank you, Penelope. You're welcome, guys. Now eat up. We gotta get to school in about an hour. Or maybe for me a little longer.
15 minutes later.
We're done, guys. Okay, guys. Now, go ahead and put your plates into the sink, and I want Berlin to take a shower, and after Berlin, Isabel, then Kirsten, then Grace, then Leah. Okay, guys? Okay, we will.
Time for a nice and quick, relaxing shower. This is gonna be a nice shower. Or bath, whatever I decide to do. That was a nice shower. Hey guys, I'm done taking a shower.
Okay, go ahead and get ready while I believe it was Isabel takes a shower.
Okay, well, I usually don't bring a backpack to school, so I'll just bring my binder and my little bag. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, now I guess I'll get my lunch ready for school. This looks like a good lunch.
Okay, so now that everybody is done taking a shower, I just want to announce again that today is a half day because it's raining really hard and it's a Friday. And you don't need to bring lunch to school.
Oh, looks like I should put this sandwich away.
Okay, so it is raining really hard, so you guys should wear a coat or something and grab your backpack, and we'll start heading out the door. Bye, Penelope. Bye, Leah. Oh, wait, aren't we going to the same school? Oh, yeah, sorry. Well, bye to everybody else. Bye, guys. We're going to leave the house in just a minute. Oh, and Leah, don't forget your binder. Oh, yeah, thanks for reminding me, Grace.
At school? Okay, class. I know today is a very rainy day, and we're having a rainy day schedule. So just go ahead, guys, and take out your math books.
Yes, Miss Maples.
Looks like we only have 2 students here today. Does anybody know why there are only 2 students here?
Miss Maples, I believe that the rain has stopped most of the students from going to school.
I believe you may be correct, Penelope. Okay, class, I hope you're on page 40.
Yes, we're on page 40, Miss Maples.
Okay, now study those pages. Now study pages 1 through 40, and it will help you with your math test. Because we're going to be taking the biggest math test of the year in just 15 minutes.
Wow. Okay, Miss Maples.
15 minutes later. Okay, class. I'm going to be passing out some math tests, and you guys are going to be doing them.
Yes, Miss Maples.
Here's yours, Leah.
Thank you, Miss Maples.
And here's yours, Penelope.
Thank you, Miss Maples.
You may begin. You'll have 30 minutes to complete this test. After that, you guys may write a story or read a story.
Okay, Miss Maples.
At Isabel, Kirsten, Berlin, and Grace's school.
Hello, class.
Hello, Mrs. Smith.
Okay, guys, so you know that today all of 4th grade is going to be taking the amazing language arts and math test.
Oh,
Cool. Yeah, that's totally cool. Great. That's gonna be a lot of fun, Miss Smith. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what the language arts and math test is, it's where there are 2 tests combined into one. There will be math word problems. There will be 3 stories with math in them. They will ask you the main idea of the story and some details. You'll also have to complete the math in the stories. There are some multiple choice questions, and there are also some writing problems.
cool.
Okay, guys. So, after we take the language arts and math test, you guys are going to have some free time because it is raining and we can't have recess.
Yay.
Okay, everybody. The test should be on your desk. Please begin.
30 minutes later.
We're done. Okay, class. Very good. You can leave your tests in the corner of the room in my mailbox right next to Isabel. And then you can do whatever you want. But remember to keep your inside voices.
Yes, Mrs. Smith.
So what are you doing, Isabel?
I'm writing a story about my life.
And what are you doing, Kirsten? Oh, I'm just writing this book about what I did yesterday. Cool. What are you doing, Berlin?
Oh, me, I am just reading this baseball book.
And you, Grace? Oh, well, I was about to look through my scrapbook. That's a great idea. Okay, guys. In 5 minutes, you guys will be dismissed.
Okay, class. So now that you're done with your tests, you guys should read.
15 minutes after they finish their test.
Okay, guys. Class dismissed. I'll see you guys on Tuesday because Monday is a holiday.
Okay, bye, Miss Maple.
Bye.
Okay, guys, it's been 5 minutes, and I'm going to dismiss you for an early dismissal. Okay, guys, class dismissed. See you on Tuesday for class again. And remember, Monday is a holiday. It's President's Day. Oh, cool. Okay, bye, Mrs. Smith. Bye, guys. Ring, ring, ring. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like,
Comment
like again, please. Keep liking this video on all accounts you have, and keep subscribing. Oh yeah, and if you subscribe, click the little bell to get notifications from us. And finally, remember to share. Bye!